Where, oh, where have you been? Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at count them, three homophones. What's a homophone, you ask? Great question. Let me review. A homophone is a word that sounds exactly the same, can have totally different meanings, and is spelled totally different. What? Yeah, I know, English. So, today's triple homophones are W-H-E-R-E, where. Where is used to ask about location. Where have you been? Where can I find this in the dictionary? Oh, under the W's. Where, location. Then W-E-A-R is also where. I know, I said it was a homophone. They're spelled exactly the same. Even though where has the word ear in it. When we put a W, it's where. What? No, where. Where. And it's a verb, meaning to put on clothes or accessories. I wear glasses, accessories. I wear earrings, accessories. I wear a t-shirt, clothes. Okay, I wear a watch, another accessory. Wear, the verb, to put on clothes or accessories. What are you wearing right now? Okay, now, W-A-R-E is also pronounced where. I told you, there are homophones. You knew that, right? So, it refers to goods or merchandise. Think when you sell your wares at a store. You sell your goods or your merchandise. But we use where in a lot of compound words like software, hardware, silverware. Where do we store all these goods and things that we manufacture? We store them in a warehouse. Oh, that is a compound word, warehouse, where we store our wares. Amazon has a great big warehouse because they sell and ship a lot of wares, W-A-R-E. Got it? Let's review, shall we? Where, used to ask about location. Where have you been? Where are you going? Where. Where, W-E-A-R, is to put on clothes or accessories. I wear glasses, accessories. I wear a watch, accessories. I wear t-shirts, clothing. Got it? What do you wear? What accessories do you wear? Okay, now, W-A-R-E is also where, and it refers to goods or merchandise. The silversmith sells his wares at the store. He sells silverware. Oh, okay, that makes sense. And let's see, a blacksmith can sell their wares at a store. A good or merchandise, goods or merchandise are wares. And the compound words with where? Malware, software, computerware, hardware. Got it? Why does English have three words that sound exactly the same, for no rhyme or reason, have totally different meanings and totally different spellings? I don't know, but now you can read, pronounce, and understand this sentence. I hope. When Bill finds out where he can sell his wares, he will know what to wear. What? Let's do it one more time, all right? When Bill finds out where he can sell his wares, he will know what to wear. Come on, English. Where do they get this stuff? Now you go on. Have a great day. Peace, friends.